What's up, guys? So we have a 2007 Lexus ES350. We're gonna do a battery install. Now for the training purposes, I already took out a bunch of these tabs. All right, these tabs are very simple. You just push them in and it releases them. All right, so you just do that. So go all the way around. Just be careful when you take them out that they don't go flying. All right, so you can take off this section first because this goes on top of this. All right, take it out, put it to the side so you don't break it. Now these tabs, all right, when you push them back in, you're gonna want to pry these out a little bit just to take them out, so when you put it back, they'll go back in easily and lock again. Be careful not to over expand them because you don't want to break it. Just a little bit and that's it. All right, I'm gonna do that for the rest of them and that's it. All right, so now you put them all to the side and then that is it. Okay, so now that's out. Now again on this one, pop it up. All right, now this particular cover has a split here, so pull that up. Be careful that you don't lose this. We'll do that to that one, and that's the last one, and I'll show you when you're putting them back. It's very easy. Okay, put it there. Now we can take this cover up. This cover here has tabs right here. You just pop that one, all right, and then pop the back one. Take that out and this slides just like that. Again, put it to the side so you don't break anything by accidentally stepping on it. Then you're going to take a 10mm socket. All right, again, these are a little loose, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. Put that to the side so you don't drop it or lose it. You can put the screw somewhere where it's not gonna fall, so you don't lose that. All right, this side I already have it loose. Now this here on the bottom has a little hook. All right, see the hook? It goes into that hole down there, and that's where it goes into. And you put it behind the wire because you don't want to crush the wire. All right, pop this out like this, and just put it to the side. Then here's your negative, here's your positive. Take the cover off. Pull from one side, pull it up that way. Again, these are already loose, so you would lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, and you're gonna loosen them like that so you can get them off. Now in some cases, what I like to do is after I loosen them, all right, sometimes they're a little tight, so what you're gonna want to do is take a little handy dandy screwdriver and just spread it apart, okay, so that it'll come out easier. Just spread it like that. All right, now some of these have electrical grease on them, so just take your rag, wipe it out, put your screwdriver to the side. Okay, now in some cases, some cars have memory stuff. You don't want to lose the memory on the cars or any other little stuff, so you could put the positive on that. I know Mercedes-Benz especially, they're troubling, so you want to put your positive and negative. All right, put your booster pack on and let it sit there so that it will remain having power to the actual car, so you don't lose memory and stuff like that. All right, and then for the positive, you want to protect it, you can put a rag over it. All right, and then battery out, and just make sure positive never touches anything metal. Make sure the batteries are good. All right, batteries are the same. Pop this in the way that the other one goes in. Like that. All right, and then what I like to do is put the battery bracket back in place. All right, you're gonna go through here like this, and this is gonna go behind the wire and into the mounting hole. Okay, put that back there, and then take your screw, put the screw back in, and tighten it down. It's a little cold out. You don't want to over tighten it or go crazy. You just want it tight so that it's held in place and the battery doesn't rock back and forth or anything like that. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's in there, that's it. All right, these sometimes twist off, you might need a pliers. All right, that's off. Okay, take the negative, put it back on. Okay. Tighten that. If the terminals are dirty, you want to get a wire brush and clean the inside of it. Okay, that's that one. Take out the positive, put it back in place. Tighten it. Now these you don't want to over tighten them because you don't want to break that. Okay, I'll take this and put it to the side, and that's it. This is done. You can shut the booster back off, take it out of the way, put it to the side. Okay, now everything's back where it needs to be. Pop the cover back on for the positive terminal. And that's it. Now you just start the car, make sure everything's good, and put everything back. Car starts up. Everything is good. Okay, so now what we can do is shut the car off because we don't want to be working around moving parts. And the fun stuff, put everything back. And just put everything back in the order that you took it out. So here's the cover. Oh, first things first, before we forget, got a cover screen. Don't want you to know my password. Okay. First thing to do, because it's a AAA battery, is I'm going to take a picture of the battery with the info on it. Okay, take that. Edit, rotate it. So now I have everything that I need right here. Part number, serial number, and the whole 9 yards. Okay, put that back in my pocket. Now I'll put this back where it goes. Push that down, that would help. Okay, that goes like that. And then just match the cover which way it goes. Obviously it doesn't go that way, so it goes this way. Pop that back in place. Put these ends in first. Like this. And just line everything up. Alright, now you take these and put them back. So what you're gonna do is you want to stretch these out, pull the pins out, okay, and then you have to move the plastics around so that they can line up so you can get clearance for the hole. And just pop it back in, don't push it all the way in, because then you'll free it up again. Like that. Some of them you may have to squeeze so that they can get into the spots, like that. Pop them in place. That's it. Very easy, nothing crazy. Just want to be careful that you don't break these. That's it. So you hear the first click. If you went 2 clicks, you went too far in. Alright, now these can move around. Okay, and the last two for the front. And then that's it, all done. Take your tools out, put everything back so you don't lose it. This little set I got at Harbor Freight, little cheap set, useful, cost me like 15 bucks. That's it, just make sure that everything's there. This is the access point for the battery if you need it. All right, if you're gonna do a jump start, just pop this open and you're right there, the battery's exposed. That's it, just make sure everything's put back to normal so that the customer doesn't go crazy. Make sure everything's clear so when you close the hood, you're done. And that's it. You just, you know, go inside, turn it on again, and you'll have a happy customer. Okay, that is all. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up.